video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a 4 feet by 12 feet garden bed that is 16 inches tall.
In part 2, we'll show you our version of lasagna layering and Hugelkultur. Dad loves his summer garden and the food he gets from it. 100 tomato vines that we mostly planted for some sauce, and 100 feet of fresh cucumbers.
Larry!
Hello, Bunky. Thanks for hanging out with me.
Another 100 feet of spaghetti squash and pumpkins. In a future video, we'll show you how we make and preserve them for pasta sauce. Pumpkin pie, anybody? We have some butternut squash in here too. Dad planted kale between his tomatoes to suppress weeds some, but Mom still doesn't like how it looks. She has Dad adding cardboard around the fall zucchini to reduce weeds even more. But Mom loves her weed-free raised spice garden bed, so I'm building even larger beds for the garden. Let's get started.
So we're going to need 2 12-foot long 2x10s, 2x6s, and 2x4s, 1 8-foot long 2x10, 1 8-foot long 2x6, and 2 8-foot long 2x4s. We'll also need screws and a drill, a tape measure, and a saw. I'll leave a list of what needs to be cut of these woods right here.
Cut one 8-foot long 2x4 into 6 16-inch pieces. Cut the 8-foot long 2x6 and 2x10s into 2 4-foot sections.
So I've already drilled the 4-foot 2x6s that go on the sides here, and I've got this all laid out. And as you can see, this is a pretty good sized garden bed. Okay, so now I'm done screwing in the 2x6s, and now I'm going to proceed and screw in the 2x10s. Okay, so I finished screwing in all 4 corners for this, and now I'm going to lift the 2x10s on top of the 2x6s. But you're going to need someone's help because it's really heavy. Now that we have the 2x10s on top of the 2x6s, we're going to secure the two together using these 16-inch 2x4s. Now it's important to know that these 2x4s are a little bit taller than the bed. Now I did that on purpose because I want the bed to go into the ground a little bit, so the 2x4s will act like legs almost. So when you screw in the 2x4s, you'll want to lift the 2x10s and 2x6s so that the 2x4 is flush with the top of the 2x10. So guys, it's probably a good idea to pre-drill the holes for these two. also make a great place for you to just sit down and reach into your garden so you can pick your way. Drill the holes for these two 2x4s, and then we're going to measure the shorter pieces. So we finished screwing in the 12-foot 2x4. Now we're going to measure these two smaller pieces and cut out 2x4s for that size. We need 41 inches on this side. Inches on this side. Got the two cuts now. We'll put them in place so that we can pre-drill the holes and screw them in. So that's our build. Now we're going to take it into the garden and we're going to put some dirt and some sticks and some grass and some tree trunks in it, and we're going to show you what it looks like
In my next video.
See you soon.
Hi, we're the Vineyard Chicks, and we'd like to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can see part 2 in our other videos. Stay safe and God bless.